Very good day, my dear student. Today we will learn chapter number 11, that is Introduction to GIMP. Let us see. So students, in this chapter we'll see what is GIMP, main window of GIMP, pixels, creating a file, GIMP mascot, opening a file, features of GIMP and saving a file. So let us see. First of all, we should see that what all images you can see here. There are four images and have two parts, one edited and one unedited. Okay, so here you can see the differences between these two, that what is the edited part and what is the unedited part. So the editing part which we can see, that could be made by using GMP. These are the images that have been modified to make them look more beautiful and attractive. So why we do editing? We do editing for making our images more attractive and more beautiful. So there are many computer applications that can be used to make such modification of images. These applications are generally termed as image editor. So one of the image editor we'll study, that is GIMP. Students, in this chapter we'll see only the theory part, not the practical part. I will make you understand through the theory. If possible, I will send you the GIMP practical session also. So what is GIMP? GIMP is a free and open source application launched in the year 1995. This is a raster graphic editor application. What do you mean by raster graphic? Raster images as a collection of countless tiny squares. Okay, there are many squares being inserted in the working area of GIMP. Okay, so it is a computer program that allow user to create and edit images interactively on a computer screen. These images created in this application can be saved either in the format, first is bitmap or raster. Since it is an image editor, so it can save only in an image format. So what are the image format, like JPG, bitmap, PNG, GIF? These are some of the format which is being used to convert our file in a image format. Now what do you mean by pixels? Raster images are stored in a computer in the form of a grid of picture elements. These picture elements in a digital images are called what? Pixels. So these are also called PIE or dots. A pixel can be defined as the smallest controllable element of a digital image displayed on the screen. Pixels contain the image color and brightness information. Image editors can change the pixels to increase the quality of image in different ways. Each pixel is a sample of an original image and the intensity of each pixels varies. Okay, now in a color imaging system, a color is represented by three components. First one is red, green and then blue. RGB indicates each point in an image represented by a red, green and blue levels. While mixing up, it changes the color. Okay, in a grayscale image, each point is represented by a brightness value, while RGB images are full color. This brightness value ranges between 0 to 255. Now whenever they mix up, they represent a new color. Okay, so whatever we color say, it is a mixture of three component, that is red, blue and green. That's it. Now next, Wilbur the gym mascot. What is gym mascot? Wilbur is the official gym mascot. Wilbur was created by Thomas Kosman sometime before 25th September 1997. Some developers like Simon Burdick added a hard hat. Raphael Quinnet added a wizard hat, and similarly, many other designers developed the mascot with different add-ons. Wilbur is an animal of its own species, a GIMP. It is not inspired by the looks of a dog or fox or a coyote. So this is what a GIMP means. There are different levels. Okay, um, while editing our picture. Okay, like first they have made a picture of a fox, and then they have added a pen and a cap, and here the different cap you can see, and here the different cap you can see. So this is a what it is. It is a Wilbur or mascot. Okay, next, features of GIMP. So GIMP provides numerous features for easy editing of images. What are the different features? Like selected editing region, opting off selection, selecting a color using different color modes, options of adding typed letters in various font styles, title-based memory management, full alpha channel support, next facilities of layer and channel, advanced scripting capabilities, multiple undo and redo options, a full suite of painting tools such as brushes, pencil, airbrush, cloning, etc. Now, what do you mean by cloning? Make an identical copy of something. Okay, what is airbrush? It devices spray painting. Now, wide variety of transformation tools such as rotate, scale, shear, and flip. What is shear? Moving one or a part of the image from one place to another. Now, a wide range of selection tools such as rectangle, ellipse, free, fuzzy, bezier, and intelligent. What is bezier? Bezier curves are used in computer graphic to draw shapes for animation in marking up language pages, etc. Now, there are plugins are available to add file formats and effect filters. Supports most of the file formats. Okay. Now, what are the main window of GIMP? The main window of GIMP or the GIMP user interface is available in two different modes. First is multi-window mode UI, that is this is a default setup of arrangement of windows, and a second is your single window mode UI. It is for the ease of working, and GIMP also provide a single window mode wherein all the supporting windows are joined together and appear as a single window. GMP window has two panels, one on either side of the screen and on an image window in the middle. The left panel consists of a toolbox and a tool option dialog together. A right panel collects layers, channels, paths, undo and everything else. Now in the first part, the toolbox is available, and the second part in the left panel consists of toolbox, and the second right panel consists of layer and whatever the changes we want to do in the a work panel, it would be changed. Now next is toolbox. The toolbox is the heart of GIMP. Now, if we don't have the toolbox, we could not do any editing or anything else in our working area. So, what are the different parts in the toolbox? First is the tool buttons. These buttons active a wide variety of tools for different purposes, such as for selecting different parts of an image, paint, transform, resize, crop, etc. Now, next is foreground or background color. This is used to change the background or the foreground color, and some dialog box will be appeared. You need to select the color from there. Next is your, now what is the difference between a foreground and a background? Foreground is a part of scene that is near to the viewer in a digital image, and background is a part of a scene that is far from the viewer in a digital image. Next, the third point is here tool options. There are various tool options available, like this section shows the name of current tool being selected. It gives different options like mode of the image, percentage of opacity, brush, size, ratio and its angle, etc. Now save, restore, delete, reset. These are the shortcut icons that are available for the easy editing of an image. Now next is your image windows. So here, GIMP uses a separate window for each image you open. Many images can be opened at the same time. That way, the user can have big windows for big images and small windows for small ones. So, the image windows title bar gives information about the image like its file name and view, number, color mode, and number of layers, current size, and etc. Now, next is your quick marks button. Quick marks button is what? Quick marks button helps in defining the selection or the location area below. The quick marks button gives a precise readout of the current mouse or position if the mouse is present inside the window. Now next is your layers dialog and dialog locking. So GMP provides different dialog boxes for different purposes, right? The entire list of the dialog box can be seen from the dialog menu. It also provides a provision to configure and group different commands and tools together using a mechanism called docking. Now, every separate dialog window is called a dock and can hold quite a few dialogs inside it. Now, there are ways to create a file. The user can create a new file in GIMP by choosing the new command from the file tab. Now how to open it? Opening a file is the first step in editing any image. So the user can open an image either by dragging the image from the file location to the GIMP, or they need to click on file and then choose the command. The pop-up window opens. You need to choose the folder and then select the particular file which you want to open it. Now how to save a file? So GIMP allow you to save the images. Either you can do the shortcut by Ctrl S, or you can go to file, then choose save as command. From there, the format that is capable of saving all the information is being available. You need to choose the format, in which format you want to choose, and then you need to click on save. Even before saving, you need to select the area also, that which folder you if in which folder you want your data should be saved, and then you need to save your data. So this is all about your GIMP. Thank you, students.